In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the reply option on Instagram. So basically, reply option is that you can reply to a specific message. So what you want to do is open up Instagram, and if I open this chat and I long hold, I can click on reply, and then it's going to be reply to that message. But if you don't have this option, what I advise you is that you go to the App Store and update Instagram if needed. Second thing to do is go to your settings, general, and then iPhone storage. Then you need to find Instagram. Then you basically would click on the app and then click on offload app and then refresh it and try it again. If that also doesn't work, then delete the app and reinstall the app, and that should work and give you this reply feature. So you can reply, or you can even add some emojis to it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.